right, here's the big reveal. Washed, dried, bound. It did crinkle. I didn't think it would crinkle this much because I really quilted the heck out of it, but it did. But here's some of the quilting. Beautiful heart. Came out lovely. I don't know how to have it not crinkle. I'm assuming, and maybe wrongfully so, that you pre-shrink everything. Maybe starch it. I don't know. I'm going to start asking around. But it does look beautiful. It is lovely. And I did learn something. There is merit to burying your threads. Why, you may ask? Let me find a place here. You see these little blue, here it is. See this little blue spot right there? See these little specks all over the quilt. And I was like, what is that? And it was the knots. So, burying the knots, I'll probably become a knot barrier. But anyway, here it is. I hung it up here as much as possible so that I don't have a wall really to be able to hang it. I'll put it on the floor and do something here. Hold on.